Lagi namin tinatanong kung sa mga lumabas sa bahay ni Kuya, paano yung CR experience yun doon? Di ba parang ang hirap kasi, di ba?
Oo,
May camera
pero
doon
nag-practice ako doon kasi si Megan, yung kapatid ko, she told me already na mag-practice ka sa bahay, mag-shower ka with underwear. So, yun yung ginawa ko.
Hindi ka naman natakot na baka masalipan.
Ay, hindi,
or
okay
something.
lang. Kasi kahit buksan nila, may damit pa rin ako. So, no problem yun. Okay.
Lagi namin tinatanong kung sa mga lumabas sa bahay ni Kuya, paano yung CR experience yun doon? Di ba parang ang hirap kasi, di ba?
Oo,
May camera
pero
doon
nag-practice ako doon kasi si Megan, yung kapatid ko, she told me already na mag-practice ka sa bahay, mag-shower ka with underwear. So, yun yung ginawa ko.
Hindi ka naman natakot na baka masalipan.
Ay, hindi,
or
okay
something.
lang. Kasi kahit buksan nila, may damit pa rin ako. So, no problem yun. Okay.
One more. Ininom mo na ako. Wait lang. Siyempre. Wait lang. Wait lang. Yeah.
Yeah. Ay! Sorry, battery. Dapat ako. Okay na yan. Oo naman.
Wala tayo dito. Out ka lang. Magabit tayo. Okay. Ano pwesto kanina ng camera? Video. Yan solo mo. Sakay lang lang. Sige, ako naman.
Humbled by this opportunity.
Nung in-offer sa'yo to, nagulat ka ba? Kumbaga you're new in the industry, pero you have a lead role. Parang
Grabe, talagang pinag-arapan ko to kasi syempre I auditioned for this. We were up against I think 50 other candidates. So grabe po talaga yung hirap na binigay ko dito sa role na to.
anong sabi ni Kuya mo na lead role ka na, hindi lang siya yung artista, ikaw artista ka na rin.
Sobrang saya niya para sa akin. Siyempre, palagi po sinasabi, wala pong Emilio Diaz dito kung wala pong Mikel Diaz. So, I owe a lot to him. He's been my guiding light. He is always there behind me. He's one of my biggest supporters and I love him very much.
May pressure ba on your part na kumbaga Miguel Diaz yung brother mo, tapos may pressure na sana galingan ko din para hindi naman pahiya yung kapatid ko? Parang gano'n. May ganun ba?
Wala, I wouldn't say it's pressure, pero syempre, gusto kong galingan para din sa pamilya ko, especially for Miguel kasi ang dami din niyang pinaghirapan sa channel niya and ang dami niyang ginanap na projects and I know the dedication that he puts into, so it would be a disservice if I didn't do the same.
Malaking factor ba on your part na pumasok ka sa PBB? Kung bakit ngayon mas kilalang kilala ka? Kasi you are, kumbaga, napanood nationwide.
Opo. Ako for me, I always say this po, PBB has been one of the biggest blessings for me this year. Grabe, syempre very unexpected kasi nag-audition din pa ako para doon. And alam kong madami pong pangarap na makapasok sa bahay ni Kuya. Isa pong karangalan na kasama na rin po ako doon. And I will never forget it.
Pero anong reaction mo na first lead role mo pero medyo BL yun?
For me naman, it's not a problem kasi I'm an actor. And I am open talaga to act in any project as long as it's given to me because I'm new to this industry. So, ayun po.
So wala kang mga hesitation?
No, there's no hesitations. I'm an actor and I will do my best. Always.
kayo?
Makita niyo. Sabi niya, mahalin mo ang press kasi sila yung mga kaibigan mo. So, yan ang gagawin ko.
Pero as a PBB, kumbaga nga malapit na rin yung big night, di ba? Ikaw personally, sino yung big four na inaasam mo na sana
Ang
makapasok?
big four ko, Mili and Shukla.
Nasa labas na.
Yes. Yan ang big four ko.
Any memorable experience sa PBB na hindi mo malilimutan?
Siyempre, hindi ko talaga malilimutan yung last week ko doon kasi naging task leader ako and it was been a dream of mine to be a task leader and siyempre, napanalo namin yung task na yun. So, yeah.
Pero kanina Emil, sabi wala kang hesitations, wala kang limitations. Who knows, baka may mga malalaki pang offer sa'yo with the same team. Willing ka ba to, have a kissing scene with a kapwa lalaki?
Ako po, I'm very new to this industry, so every opportunity po is a blessing for me. I don't know what the future holds. That's management's decision, but I am an actor and that's what I will do.
Lagi namin tinatanong punta sa mga lumabas sa bahay ni Kuya, paano yung CR experience yun doon? Di ba parang ang hirap kasi, di ba?
Oo,
May camera
pero
doon
nag-practice ako doon kasi si Megan, yung kapatid ko, she told me already na mag-practice ka sa bahay, mag-shower ka with underwear. So, yun yung ginawa ko.
Hindi ka naman natakot na baka masalipan?
Ay, hindi, okay lang. Kasi kahit buksan nila, may damit pa rin ako. So, no problem yun. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Maraming salamat. Support Love at First Sight. Salamat po. Thank you po. Grabe yung big stars po dito. Isa lang yung big star dito eh. Picture mo naman
Ang bilis talaga na
Di ba? Wala si Kate eh.
Thanks. Where's where's ating DJ?
Papunta na po.
Alright, sige. See you later, Mia.
Thank you. Paano yung CR experience yun doon? Di ba parang ang hirap kasi, di ba?
Oo,
May camera
pero
doon
nag-practice ako doon kasi si Megan, yung kapatid ko, she told me already na mag-practice ka sa bahay, mag-shower ka with underwear. So, yun yung ginawa ko.
Hindi ka naman natakot na baka masalipan?
Ay, hindi, okay lang. Kasi kahit buksan nila, may damit pa rin ako. So, no problem yun. Okay. Ang big four ko, Mili and Shukla.
Nasa labas na.
Yes. Yan ang big four ko.
Good afternoon and thank you so much for being here with us. This project is very special to me, to everyone here na kaharap ninyo. So maraming salamat po na nandito po kayo. Thank you.
Hello po everyone, I'm Rain Somar po. And thank you all po for coming and supporting Love at First Bite kasi it's amazing and you will watch it and you will see it's amazing talaga. So thank you so much. Thank you po.
To another homonym. You know that word, right? Homonyms. Rain and Rain. Rain, go ahead.
Hello po, I'm the other Rain, your fellow ally para Salcedo. My name is Rain Parani. Maraming salamat po for the press to be here. Maraming salamat po. I know everything that you've been going through. Thank you so much for being here. And
What have been we going through? Ano bang pinagdadaanan namin, Rain?
my course is similar to them, so I know the struggle. Ayun po, maraming salamat po for being here and sharing our stories to everybody else.
Mass communications, Rain. Sean?
Hello po mga kapamilya, ako po si Sean Tristan. This project is really special, so thank you po sa inyong lahat for coming. And yeah, let's all have a good time today.
Emilio?
Mga kapamilya, mga kaibigan natin sa press, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyo dito. Sana po magustuhan niyo yung Love at First Bite. Pinaghirapan po namin to. And it's nice to see everyone.
Thanks, Emilio. Okay, ilatag muna natin. No? Now that you've greeted everybody, okay, go ahead.
Tapos nakakatuwa lang makita yung mga kasama namin na from hindi marunong, nandun na sila sa nakaka-receive.
Lahat sino yung hindi marunong, turo mo sa amin. Sino yan? Si Sky, hindi daw marunong.
Hindi, nakakatuwa lang makita yung growth nila kasi from yun nga, hindi nakaka-receive ng bola. Umu-over na yung serve nila, tapos nakaka-receive na sila, nakaka-set, tapos alam na nila yung rules. Yun yung pinaka-important sa volleyball. Kasi hindi lang tayo nagpapaganda-ganda dito, dapat alam din natin kung ano ginagawa natin sa loob.
That's right, touching the net,
Yeah.
touching the lines. From the Sparks campers, sino pwede mag-share ng inyong experience? Miggy, ikaw.
Oh my God.
Bakit? Ba't naman oh my God ka?
Nung training, sobrang hirap po talaga. Kailangan mo talaga.
Anong team nyo?
All Star Magic Lady Setters.
Lady
Yes
Setters.
po.
Okay, so basketball ka, Emilio. Paano ka nag-volleyball? Volleyball ka ba dito o basketball player?
Well, I started off as a basketball player.
Okay.
And then makita niyo kung bakit ako pupunta sa volleyball.
Okay.
So, yeah, it was a very good transition. I'm very active, so it's innate in me to play sports. I'm very competitive, alam niyo yan. So, talagang hindi kami nagpatalo. And of course, I'd like to thank our coaches again. And of course, the Prod for setting us up with such good trainings. And makita niyo talaga na ginalingan talaga namin sa lahat ng mga sports scenes namin. So hopefully, the volleyball community would appreciate that because we put in a lot of hard work and dedication into it.
Mamaya, makikita natin yan sa tight cut screening, no? Sean, ikaw, paano ang training mo rin dito?
Yes, si Jared po yung captain and siya yung setter.
Then,
Yes, that was,
okay.
yeah, and then I'm the setter, so most of my trainings are setting. Si Coach Dex is actually, I think he's a setter, di ba? Coach Dex is a setter, so tinututukan niya po talaga ako when it comes to setting. Kasi ang hirap mag-set. But I came from like zero talaga knowledge of like playing.
To 1 to 100. Ano ka na ngayon?
0 to 70.
Wow! Not bad.
Yeah.
Assess, Dylan. Kasi ikaw ang varsity player dito eh.
As a setter din po, personally. Kasi si Sean, medyo ano siya kumbaga nape-pressure pa nagte-training, ganyan. So gusto
Yourself as artists, as actors.
Working with the cast.
This is not your first series.
Yes.
Di ba? Meron mo in the past.
Yes. Pero I think what I learned from this series is how trust really matters. Like I really needed to trust my director, my co-actors, and especially myself. And siguro something that I discovered po is how brave I actually am, especially in being part of stories that really matter to a lot of people.
Rain.
Ako naman, this is my first lead role in a series. After almost a decade po in the industry, I've waited so long, honestly. It's really, really big for me po talaga. It means so much, lalo na po na I really play volleyball before since elementary. Now that I'm here, what I've learned is how to be a responsible ally. It's much more than learning what other people want to be called or the definition of being an ally or the LGBTQI+ community. There's so much more po. I've been in the beauty pageant industry where all of them are there to give colors to whatever we do in our job. And I just want to give this to them. Totoong masaya po talaga pag may bakla and I love them so much. I hope that we could represent all of you and that you could find this series as a comfort, and I've learned so much with discipline. I do know how to play volleyball, but that doesn't mean my body is fully conditioned for it. So that was also one of my learnings. I really got to be with my body more along with my mind. Yan po.
Beauty queen of beauty queens mo. Trained na trained eh. Diba? Emilio?
Well, this is a dream come true for me because this is my first lead role ever, and I've always dreamt of being a leading man here at ABS-CBN in the industry. So I'm very happy and thankful and humbled to be given this opportunity. And I know the amount of dedication and hard work that it takes to lead a series. So that's something that I've learned, and dala-dala ko yan sa mga susunod na projects.
Ang next question ni expand further your character.
So Uno Santillan is an academic scholar at Brixton. He's the team captain of the basketball team, and he's a determined guy. He's a very persistent guy, and you'll see more about his journey when you watch Love at First Light.
Okay, Sean.
I played the role of Jared Aragon. Jared is the team captain po of the boys volleyball team. And he's an out and proud member of the LGBTQIA++ community. And he's a cousin of Farah Salcedo and the childhood best friend of Uno Santillan.
Best friend lang.
Childhood best friend.
Lang.
Childhood best friend.
Rain, Farah, you're playing the role of Farah.
Yes, I'll be playing the role of Farah Salcedo, a stereotype breaker. She's an athletic scholar as well, but also she's really passionate, really loving, gives all of herself into everything she works hard in. And I feel like it's a good role as well for other women to see that you could be much, much more. And ayun po, I am also Jared's cousin, and Uno's teammate that will teach him how to play volleyball. Yan po.
Nagre-reserve pa sila ng details eh.
Yeah,
Nakakatawa, spoil
You'll
eh.
find out later.
I know. Sino ang teammates mo, Sean, dito sa...
Dylan, Sky, all of them except Dre and Binsoy
Okay.
and the girls.
The girls. And then the badings.
They're all part of our team.
Okay. O yung question kanina, yung challenging lang, mga first-timers na mag-act. This is not your first time, Sky. No, hindi ba?
But by far, this is the most challenging and the hardest role that I have played. Kasi I've done I've done a BL series before. For MMK, it was also BL for Viral Scandal. But eto po, sobrang hirap. Kung binigay sa akin ni Direk Ivan, may extra pressure kasi the character of Lucian Ong is sports series, and actually grabe pala kasi ang daming angles, so kaya I need you guys to support. Ma-amaze kayo, grabe pala.
Mahirap ang ano eh, di ba? Pag sports yung shots, di ba? No?
Sobra. Before nung pinipitch ko to sa I1,
New, with more than a year of being in showbiz, how did you prepare for your role? And is there more pressure now that you're coming after PBB?
So I take a big part of taking on any project with a lot of preparation. So that was a big part of it, and it was through acting workshops, getting my body ready. So I had a very rigorous program before this, and of course, workshops with the whole cast. We did that to prepare. Aside from workshops, we did the volleyball trainings, and I guess when it comes to pressure after PBB, I don't think there's any pressure naman, but I put a lot of pressure on myself to do well, to do my best in everything that I do. So I'm excited for everyone to see the fruits of our labor, because everyone worked very, very hard, and I'm just very grateful for this opportunity.
Thanks, Emilio. The next set of questions will come from Chris from One Music.
Idol ko, may phenom, my God. My God, Charles. Siya yung nilulook up ko at inspiration ko talaga sa volleyball.
Ako siguro si Miss Phil Kainglet ng Ateneo. Kasi sobrang, hindi siya libero, pero sobrang liksi niya. So parang dinilulo ko sa sarili ko na feeling ko parang carry naman natin maging Phil Kainglet for today. Tapos, ayun, sana napunan ko ng maayos yung role ni Diamond Hernandez. Kasi si Diamond Hernandez ay isang libero and she is a trans woman. And member siya ng Brixton Boys Volleyball Team. So, dun pa lang may disconnect na. So, samahan niyo siyang i-navigate yung gender identity niya sa high school life niya kasama yung mga barkada niya. So, yun, Miss Phil Kainglet to answer your question.
Thank you, Lance. Dylan.
Ako naman po, personally, as a setter, syempre, wala akong masyado ina-idolize na spikers. Pero dahil nakuha ko yung role na Ethan na spiker, lagi kong iniisip at pinapanood yung highlights ni Kuya Mark Espejo. Kasi parang, di ba, meron siyang era sa Ateneo na nakascore siya ng 55 points na siya lang nakagawa dito sa Pilipinas. So, yun, inspiration ko po, Mark Espejo.
Thanks, Dylan. Rain.
Me naman po, I think I didn't find a specific person, pero I channeled three, Miss Bea De Leon, Ate Jel Cayuna, and Miss Eliza Valdez. All because they have such kind eyes, they're great players, their stance pa lang on the court distinguishes who they are on the court and what they do, how powerful they are, and I feel like those three really showed Farah for me. Yun sila po yung iniisip ko pag nag-acting po kami.
Parang bawat tanong kay Rain, alam mo yun, parang...
Thank you.
Parang pa-beauty pageant yung sagot lahat eh, no? Kahit very simple lang yung question. Thanks, Rain. Maraming salamat. Ang next na magtatanong is si Carl Jun.
LGBTQIA+ community.
Well, of course, I think Uno's journey here will really be an eye-opening experience for everyone, because he will act like a bridge between the community and the heterosexual community. So from his closed-off experience in the start, you will see his journey as he slowly opens himself and learns about the community. And my message for the community is Happy Pride.
thank you for the support. I hope you guys like what we show.
Okay, thank you. Muli congrats po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you, Carl. Be the message of the show to the viewers. Partly na-touch na ni Emilio, but what do you want to say?
For me po, I think it's really about acceptance po. Like, kung sino ka man, kung ano man, how you talk, how you act, it's about how people can accept you for who you are. Kung sino ka man talaga. And I think it's a really big factor in the show po talaga. Yun po. Thank you.
Thanks, Rain. Hinahanap lang ako kasi yun ang next na magtatanong kung
Nice
nandito.
one, Bunso.
Ano na?
Nice one, Bunso.
Nice
Ang ganda
one,
ng growth ni
Bunso.
Bunso eh.
Talk about it. From?
Wala lang, parang from PBB, tapos nandito na siya. It's her first acting experience and she really killed it. So, I'm very proud of our Bunso here.
Ano bang role ni Rain?
What's your role, Rain?
Ako po sasagot. Oh, yes! Oh, I'm Olivia po in the show. Nasa trio po ako ni Farah and Sinag. Andy Abaya. Where are you? Japan. Pero yun po, in a friend group po. And ang role ko po as a friend dun sa friend group na yun is very unfiltered po talaga. I will tell you what's
Speak
you
her
need to
mind,
do.
no?
Yeah, talaga. To help you, my friend, I will tell you, my friend. Yun po.
Wait, may mo si Andy. Andy is part of it. Sino pa nawala dito?
River.
From PBB. Ito, so that first acting debut mo. So, how will you prepare for this role?
Oh, well po, for preparations po, I think I was watching a series po, dito in ABS-CBN, to really, to see like, but then like, ito po, before PBB, I was just a student po, I was just watching on screen. Kaya, I don't know what to expect po sa first taping day ko, kasi I've just been, nakikita ko lang yung products, never the behind the scenes. Kaya, yeah, I was like, I don't know what to do. Kaya it was big help po talaga na the castmates po. Very helpful, very guiding. And I think sa preparations po, malaki po yung help nila. Talaga telling me like, oh, ito yung gagawin mo. You should read all your script. Tapos, i-feel mo talaga, i-ganon mo talaga. And yung mga advices po nila, I really listened and took it to heart. Talaga. Thank you guys! Oh my gosh, we're here! So, ayun po. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Rain. And from one Rain to another. Rain Parani. Hello.
Hello.
Yan, so, isa sa mga bentesa nung time mo sa PBB.
Thank you so much.
8 days na.
Yes po.
Yes. And ngayon, eto, nandito ka na. First leading role mo. And so, gaano mo naman katrabaho sina Sean at Emilio pagdating ngayon sa sports and pagdating dito sa serye?
How it was working
How was
with
it
them.
working with
I was
them?
working with
Oh,
them.
it was...
Why?
Sorry
Ba't bigla ka natawa?
No, I'm really happy po with the friendship and bond that we put together. It was natural, I'd say. We're really close na po, and we've done workshops, we've done trainings together, we go out together and eat and share good food together. So it was really natural to work with them, but at the same time, of course, hindi po natin may iwasan yung mga struggles with making it work and what our goal is. But I'm really glad now we're here na po, and I can really tell you that later you'll see the hard work that I'm talking about and how strong the chemistry is. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Jeff. Maraming salamat.
Ano ko lang kwento ko lang mabilis. Seatmate ko yung graduation namin sa UP noong 2018. Siyang sumakong laude namin sa batch natin. Nilate kasi ako ng 16 years graduate, so siya yung katabi ko sa... So my question is for the four of you guys. Congratulations. Big break for all of you. Okay. Question ko is, kasi this is really, you're coming from different, kumbaga, iba-ibang industriya, nagagamit kayo sa iba't ibang mga fields of expertise before going here sa showbiz. So, ano yung natutunan nyo so far dito sa showbiz na distinct or kakaiba compared dun sa mga pinanggalingan nyo? Like, you Sky, galing ka sa UP, na ikaw, Dylan, galing ka sa volleyball, ikaw, Sean, you're a filmmaking student, tapos ikaw, Emilio, you're coming from somewhere. Ayun. So, ano yung natutunan nyo na distinct here in showbiz so far?
Sino masagot?
Oh, pwede po. Thank you po for that question. I think sa investment banking, definitely use a lot of your left brain. So it's a lot of logical thinking, being kind of robotic. Pero dito talaga sa industriya, especially Kasi ngayon, mahal ko na talaga ang pag-aarte. And it's really about being in touch with your feelings, being emotional, and being okay with that. Kasi I grew up talaga in a very hard family na discipline and you don't really show your emotions. And I was also in an industry that's very cutthroat. Not saying that this line of work is not cutthroat, it is very cutthroat. More cutthroat, if not. But, you know, you just have to be a lot more emotional and that's okay. So, sana makita nyo yan.
Wait, are you the guy na nagti-TikTok na nagla-lunch break?
Yes, that's me.
That's you.
That's me. Nagla-lunch break ako sa Makati.
Yung mga Jolly Jeep, mga
Yes,
nag-cafe in
tama po.
Perea. Okay.
Opo.
And hindi ka talaga mukhang first timer sa Pamilya Sagrada. As I always
Ay, salamat po.
Yeah, so Sean, ikaw naman. Ayun. Hey, Sean, favorite.
Hello. Ano po, siguro, as a filmmaking student, very related po, no? Pero, ako
Much more for thinking that way. Of course. Pero,
Of course, may plans pa.
yes, of course, may plans pa po. Pero as I grow older, I realize there's so much more intention to everything that you do. So, I'm prepping, I'm planning, I'm doing everything I can to join pageants with purpose, with organizations I trust, with organizations I can make and partner up with. So, before that, I'd love to act po. It was my first love in the industry po, before performing or anything else. This was really what I wanted to do. So I'm glad that I'm back. I'm glad that I got an opportunity to be back.
Finally, Libro.
Yes, I've seen you since years ago pa, over 5 years ago po. So it's really nice to see you again here. And yeah, sasali pa tayo ulit. And hopefully, sana I could represent the Philippines in the future. Who knows? Who knows?
Super last na lang na question for everyone. So kung sino pwede sumagot, especially si Derek, kasi wala si River dito and nasa PBB pa siya. So my question is, how would you describe this performance here? Para na lang sa mga and ayun.
Maybe si Derek is the best person to answer that.
Thank you guys. Congratulations po.
Different. I guess to summarize, to describe his performance, it's different from his persona in PBB. Kasi he plays the nemesis of Emilio's character. So, yung pagiging kasi in real life, he's very charming, he's very sweet, soft-spoken, napaka-bait na bata. Pero dito, hindi. Complete opposite. And, ang galing lang nung pagkaka-differentiate nung personal dun sa character. So, yun yung, I guess yun yung pinaka-best description. It's very different. Baka makakapanibago if you watch it.
Nagpalit po kami, kumbaga sa Pamilya Sagrado.
Yes,
Ako si Leon, siya si Steven. Ngayon, the tables have turned.
Kumusta pa na siya sa PBB sila? Kasi pumasok ulit kayo as challenger sa Hawas. Thank you.
Siyempre, sobrang saya niya nung nakita niya kami. And I was very, very happy to reunite with all of the housemates.
I love you.
Abangan niyo na lang yun.
No, I think may na yata.
May na ba ngayon?
Di ba ba? Yung challenge.
I don't want to preempt anything. Baka patayin ako dito, so...
Okay, we're down to our last question. So we'll do this na parang center, then right, then left. You know, we have cameras everywhere. May blue carpet sa labas. You may want to go there and position yourselves. And look at the left this time. Ganun talaga. And if you don't mind, can we do a version na nakatayo? Von, okay lang? Okay. Okay. Okay, wait. Von, can we ask help to clear lang the chairs sa likod? Forward na lang sila. Ayan, forward na lang. Binsoy! Dito ka na, Binsoy, sa harap. Dito ka na, Binsoy. Ayan. Kita si Nick? Kita? Okay. I-0.5 nyo na lang. Okay, let's look at the right. Look at the right. There you go. Look at the left. And one last at the center. Alright! Love at First Spike coming to I Want. Starting June 20, that's this Friday, 8 p.m. Invite na si Emilio. Okay, Emilio, please invite.
Camera po. Kahit saan, okay.
There we go. Yan.
Mga kapamilya, we are the cast of Love at First Spike! At panoorin niyo po ang Love at First Spike only on I Want on June 20 at 8 p.m.
Thank you, Emilio. Thank you, everybody. Thank you to the whole cast, to our directors, and to our creatives, and the whole team of Love at First Spike. We have a blue carpet outside. Labas na kayo doon. Pwesto na kayo. Rarampa doon ang ating buong cast for photos.
One more. Emilio muna ako. Wait lang. Dalawang natin. Siyempre. Wait lang.
Ay! Sorry ba? No ba tayo? Okay na yan. Oo naman.
Wala tayo dito, out ka lang. Okay. Ano pwesto kanina ng camera ng video?
I'm so humbled by this opportunity.
Nung in-offer sa'yo to, nagulat ka ba? Kumbaga you're new in the industry, pero you have a lead role. Parang
Grabe, talagang pinag-arapan ko to kasi syempre I auditioned for this. We were up against I think 50 other candidates. So grabe po talaga yung hirap na binigay ko dito sa role na to.
anong sabi ni kuya mo na lead role ka na, hindi lang siya yung artista, ikaw artista ka na rin.
Sobrang saya niya para sa akin. Siyempre, palagi po sinasabi, wala pong Emilio Diaz dito kung wala pong Mikael Diaz. So, I owe a lot to him. He's been my guiding light. He is always there behind me. He's one of my biggest supporters and I love him very much.
May pressure ba on your part na kumbaga Mikael Diaz yung brother mo, tapos may pressure na sana galingan ko din para hindi naman pahiya yung kapatid ko? Parang gano'n. Ganun ba?
Wala, I wouldn't say it's pressure, pero siyempre, gusto kong galingan para din sa pamilya ko, especially for Miguel kasi ang dami din niyang pinaghirapan sa channel niya and ang dami niyang ginanap na projects and I know the dedication that he puts into, so it would be a disservice if I didn't do the same.
Malaking factor ba on your part na pumasok ka sa PBB? Kung bakit ngayon mas kilalang kilala ka? Kasi you are, kumbaga, napanood nationwide.
Opo. Ako for me, I always say this po, PBB has been one of the biggest blessings for me this year. Grabe. Siyempre, very unexpected kasi nag-audition din pa ako para doon. And alam kong madami pong pangarap na makapasok sa bahay ni Kuya. Isa pong karangalan na kasama na rin po ako doon. And I will never forget it.
Pero anong reaction mo na first lead role mo pero medyo BL yun?
For me naman, it's not a problem kasi I'm an actor. And I am open talaga to act in any project as long as it's given to me because I'm new to this industry. So, ayun po.
So wala kang mga hesitation?
No, there's no hesitations. I'm an actor and I will do my best.
May
Always.
kissing kayo?
Makita niyo. Sabi niya, mahalin mo ang press kasi sila yung mga kaibigan mo. So, yun ang gagawin ko.
Pero as a PBB, kumbaga nga malapit na rin yung big night, di ba? Ikaw personally, sino yung big four na inaasam mo na sana
Ang
makapasok?
Big Four ko, Mili and Shukla.
Mga nasa labas na.
Yes. Yan ang Big Four ko.
Any memorable experience sa PBB na hindi malilimutan?
Siyempre, hindi ko talaga malilimutan yung last week ko doon kasi naging task leader ako. And it was been a dream of mine to be a task leader. And siyempre, napanalo namin yung task na yun. So, yeah.
Pero kanina Emil, sabi wala kang hesitations, wala kang limitations. Who knows, baka may mga malalaki pang offer sa'yo with the same team. Willing ka ba to, have a kissing scene with a kapwa lalaki?
Ako po, I'm very new to this industry. So, every opportunity po is a blessing for me. I don't know what the future holds. That's management's decision. But I am an actor and that's what I will do.
Lagi namin tinatanong dito sa mga lumabas sa bahay ni Kuya, paano yung CR experience yun doon? Di ba parang ang hirap kasi, di ba?
Oo, pero nag-practice ako doon kasi si Megan, yung kapatid ko, she told me already na mag-practice ka sa bahay, mag-shower ka with underwear. So, yun yung ginawa ko.
hindi ka naman natakot na baka masalipan?
Ay, hindi, okay lang. Kasi kahit buksan nila, may damit pa rin ako. So, no problem yun. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Maraming salamat. Support Love at First Strike. Salamat po. Thank you po.
Grabe yung big star po dito. Siya yung big star dito eh. Hindi po ako eh. Ang bilis talaga na Di ba? Wala si Kate eh.
Thanks. Where's ating DJ?
Papunta na po.
Alright, sige. See you later, Emil.
Thank you.
Pero ngayon, sa Spikers for men's volleyball and also for women's volleyball, we are so excited to have this show come to life and show love not only for our volleyball fans out there, pero syempre cater din ito for our LGBT. Happy Pride! Exactly, Happy Pride. We are so excited for you guys to watch the show again every Friday po yan starting June. For those of you here at Gateway, don't forget to use our hashtags, hashtag Love at First Spike and hashtag Love at First Spike on I1. Ito na, bubuksan ko na ang ating blue carpet. First of all, we have here the one and only Robbie Jaworski! Robbie Jaworski in the house, of course, one of our mixed VJs, also favorite host of ABS-CBN, and not only that, an actor as well. Pero syempre, sinasabi rin sa akin ni Robbie, businessman din siya. Diba? Of course, thank you, Robbie, for being here. Okay, Robbie, first of all, hello, good afternoon. Robbie, what are you expecting from Love at First Spike?
I'm expecting, syempre, mga tropa natin dyan. Sila Emilio, sila River, sila Dylan, diba? Sino pa? Lahat sila. I know it's a coming-of-age story. Diba? Coming-of-age, diba? Okay, so, may mensahe dyan, I'm sure. So, I'm excited to see the bigger message. And syempre, excited ko din makita lahat ng mga kasama natin sa Star Magic. So, good luck guys, break a leg, and congratulations.
Thank you so much, Robbie. I'm sure your friends and of course all of your support. Sabi naman, di ba, napaka-star. Unang-una pa lang star-studded na. Ganun. But again, like what I was saying earlier, grabe yung cast natin dito sa Love at First Spike.
Kailan ba ba?
Alam ko si Rain, laging present yan sa All-Star Games natin. And sino ba yung si Rain Selmar also. Rain Paraging and Rain Selmar present sa All-Star Games.
Thank you.
And ito, okay, tignan nga natin kung sino ang next natin dito sa ating family. We have here Justin McClare. Ayan. Hello, Justin McClare. I believe si Justin, he joined us as well sa ating one of our friends PBB album launch. Kay Colette or kay Rain? Kay Colette or kay Rain? Kay Rain? Oh my God! Kay Colette, kay Colette. Okay, he performed for us sa album launch ni Colette, which happened in June 1 sa North Edsa Sky Dome. Ayan, perfect. Again, Justin McClare, one of our newest star music artists. Thank you so much, Justin. Ayun. Thank you, Justin. And ngayon naman, we have your little athletes. Joining us now is, of course, Faith Nisperos. We also have Camille Cal and Bea Bonafe. Oh, of course, guys, our Akari Chargers. And yes, we are hard launching Bea as an Akari Charger today. Congratulations sa bagong milestone ni Bea, o diba? And of course, we also have here our athletes from Ateneo Blue Eagles as well. Tama? Yes, perfect. So, our professional volleyball players. Siyempre, may question ako para kay Faith, Camille, and also Bea. How does it feel? Alam ko that this is not the first na teleserye na volleyball yung setting. But how do you feel na it is being put to light, being put to action? You feel the love for the volleyball community? Ano masasabi mo, Faith?
It just shows na yung love ng people for volleyball is lumalaki. Kaya mas maraming movies or series na lumalabas. Kaya isang malaking pasalamat din sa volleyball community for making this happen.
Perfect. How about you naman, Camille?
Sorry, what's the question?
How do you feel na parang may mga teleseries niya that, of course, center towards not only LGBTQIA+, but also volleyball mismo?
I am very happy na meron ganito kasi nasa-share na yung love namin for the sport, of course. And syempre, at least yung mga athletes na who also aspires to be yung mga artists nga, talaga nasa-showcase din nila yung talents nila. So, ayun. Mabuhay mga bading! Yeah, same thing that my new teammates said. It's just really great to have the love for the sport just grow and that it reaches more people. So I'm so excited to watch this new film with everybody else. Thank you.
Alright, once again, we have here our PBL athletes, PBL volleyball ladies from the Akari Chargers, and also our Ateneo Blue Eagles. Yes, joining us as well for our grabe UAEP season, Charis. For Love at First Spike, Block Premiere Party. Premiere Block Party. NCAA, congratulations, o diba? I love it. I told you, like what I mentioned earlier, grabe talaga, we are merging all industries in one premiere night. From sports, to music, to entertainment, mga artista, lahat sila pupunta dito, and it's just so nice to be able to see everyone here. Again, our NCAA athletes. Hello, okay. Would you guys like to introduce yourselves to everyone watching us right now?
Hello everyone, my name is John Vincent Estrada from College of St. Bruno.
My name is Carl Justin Berdal from Arellana University.
Alright, so same question as sa mga players natin kanina. How do you guys feel na grabe yung may mga teleserye na about volleyball?
First of all, thank you po sa lahat ng pumunta para supportahan yung dapat first fight. And yung mapipili ko ngayon, super happy kasi lalong lumalawak yung volleyball, hindi lang sa larangan ng sports, kundi sa entertainment.
Ganon din po, syempre parang nagkakaroon po ng more opportunity po yung mga volleyball players para mas makilala po. Hindi lang po sa volleyball po.
Actually, gusto ko lang i-add, bago natin sila i-let go, ito si Carl, MVP ng NCAA. But then, I also wanna say, grabe din, dahil yung bida po natin ay Emilio Daes, so men's volleyball din ang magiging highlight din ng Love at First Spike. So anong feeling na syempre, men's volleyball is also being put to light?
Being put to light po, super happy ako kasi lalo na nandito si Kuya Dylan. Kuya Dylan, congratulations! And alam ko na magiging successful yung TV series na to. For sure.
Ayaw daw niya, as in na lang siya, MVP award, Charis. But of course, thank you so much, Jeff and Carl! Yes, of NCAA, we have here our NCAA men's volleyball athletes joining us as well for our Love at First Spike Premiere Block Party. Thank you so much, Jeff and Carl. Ayun. Okay, next naman, from the music in the house. Meron siyang bagong paslit sa eyebrow. So, diba? Ito si Jeff. Bongga. Thank you so much, Jeff, for joining us today. Like what I mentioned earlier, lahat ng industries nandito O, diba? Thank you so much, Jeff, for joining us. Jeff, sino syempre, sinasuportahan mo dito?
Yung mga friends ko from General Dylan, Ray, Wilsoy. So I'm very proud na part sila na produce ng this business series. So I'm looking forward to see them later.
Thank you so much, Jeff, for coming here. We are so excited. O, diba, Jeff, ikaw yung bunot ko today. Pwede ba mag-sample ka muna ng isang spike naman dyan? O, diba? 1, 2, 3, go! Ay, sorry! Isang pancake naman dyan, pancake! 1, 2, 3! Hey! Sorry! Thank you so much again, Jeff. Teka, Jeff, nagpa-volleyball ka ba?
Yes.
What? Anong position mo?
Pero spiker din ako.
Spiker talaga siya. I love it. Diba, Jeff, it's so amazing how we are able, like what mentioned earlier, si Camille, those artists that want to be players and players who want to be artists, we are merging everything into one world. Kaya thank you so much, Jeff, for being here. See you, Jeff. Okay, sa loob, ganon. I love it. Yes, and ngayon naman, now, like what I mentioned earlier, itong Love at First Spike caters to our LGBTQIA+ community. And I think very exciting to have our campers from Sparks Camp. Yes, joining us right now. Happy Pride, guys. We are so happy to have you guys here. Sparks Camp Season 3 campers. Ayan, so excited to have you guys here. Thank you for being here. Grabe, napaka-bongga talaga ng ating mga guests na nandito ngayon for our premiere block party of Love at First Spike. Again, for those of you watching from online, nandito pa sa gateway, you can use our hashtags, hashtag Love at First Spike on I1 and hashtag Love at First Spike. Okay. Okay, may isang question lang ako para sa ating mga campers. Sino dito yung mga nagpo-volleyball? Ikaw lang? What is your position?
Anything used. Joke lang. I play all positions. Used to be a middle blocker until I got older and become a center.
Okay, dahil dyan, sample naman ng isang block dyan. In 3, 2, 1! Ay, bling up talaga sa social media. Napaka-bongga. I love it. Thank you so much, campers, for joining us. Thank you, guys. Okay, one last photo of our campers of Sparks Camp Season 3. There you go.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, and perfect. Thank you. Thank you po.
Ayan, once again, our hashtag for today. Saan yung mga
I am Oyan on TikTok. Hello.
Of course, I want to ask you guys, how do you guys feel about finally we are giving light to the LGBTQIA+ community, especially with mainstream series like this?
Ako excited na ako, kasi it's really a brave move and also ang ganda niyang start for Filipino teleserye magkaroon ng series. And it's something to be proud of, and I can see the quality of the series and I'm excited about it.
For me, very perfect siya kasi ngayon siya unity, especially ngayong Pride Month. Diba? So, for me, we would need more representation sa mainstream media about ako naman ang saya kasi we are being seen and dapat may bakla. Period.
Thank you so much, guys, for being here. We are so excited for you guys to see the show as well. Okay, one last photo. Ayan. Thank you so much, guys, our content creators. And syempre ngayon naman, punta naman tayo sa mga artista natin. Aljon Mendoza and Kauri Oinuma. Hey! Oh my God, kinikilig ako! Dito yung mga besties ko. Once again, Kauri Oinuma and Aljon Mendoza. Kauri and Aljon, syempre alam naman natin na yung Love at First Spike, very centered siya sa mga PBB housemates. So ano ang mensahe ninyo para sa mga ex-housemates natin?
Ito yung gusto nila, I believe. Ito, dito na sila mag-i-start. And proud lang ako sabihin na yung mga nakasama rin natin before sa PBB. Si Rain. Sobrang happy ako for Rain. Nagtayo niya to.
nakikita ko yung mga sarili namin dati sa kanila. Pero I'm sure marami pa yung projects na gagawin nila in the future. So, I want to congratulate them.
Thank you so much, Kauri Oyduma and Aljon Mendoza. Again guys, ito, palakpakan po natin sila. Like what I said earlier, lahat po ng industriya nandito. O, di ba? Ayan, once again, Kauri Oyduma and Aljon Mendoza. Thank you so much, Kauri, Aljon. Ayun. Ay! Okay, may naghiyawan na dito dahil may pogi. O, di ba pa? Uy! Charis. Okay, but of course, again, please don't forget to use our hashtags, hashtag #LoveAtFirstSpike and hashtag #LoveAtFirstSpike on I1. We are so excited to have all of our artists here. Yes, you can join me here. Okay. Hello po. Sir, please introduce yourself to our team bahay.
Hi, my name is Kyle. Isa po sa mga kasama ko. Kami yung mga bully.
Oh my God! Ikaw, ang bully? Masyado kang mabait. Charis. But of course, Kyle, how was your experience dito sa Love at First Spike?
Sobrang kong na-enjoy. Lalo na sobrang babait ng mga aking mga nakatrabaho. Lalo na kasama ko sila River, sobrang bait. Tapos kasama pa natin yung mga friends natin na part ng LGBTQI+. Sobrang babait na lalo nila Universe, at nila Nick.
Thank you so much, Kyle. We can't wait to see you there and congratulations! Diba, mamaya makikita natin siya as a bully. O, diba? Ganon. Okay, quick photo op ulit. Ayan. There you go. Okay, so of course, our blue carpet continues dito sa ating premiere block party of Love at First Spike. Alright, so we have so many artists coming to join us. Ayan po. Thank you so much for taking the time to be here and for joining us. Yes, okay, go. Quick photo op muna. Yes, we are so excited for you guys to see again starting on June 20, 8 p.m. every Friday. Ayan. Love at First Spike on I1, one of I1's original series that we are releasing. And very excited. Actually, sinabi ko sa akin ni Sir Jamie, one of the heads of I1, na very, very excited siya for this show to come to life. Again, we are bringing light not only to volleyball. A big congratulations, Mackie. Don't forget to stream it. Ayan, we have another artist joining us here tonight. Ayan. O, diba? Napakabongga talaga. Love at First Spike. Again, our hashtags are Love at First Spike on I1 and hashtag Love at First Spike.
Kung sa akin magdaan, nagbago na ba? Ibig ba sabihin mo na hindi ako
Again, this is presented to us by I1 and ABS-CBN Studios. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga supporters na nandito ngayon. And also our friends from the media, thank you so much for being here. And we are so excited that in just a little while, makakasama na natin ang full cast ng Love at First Spike. Filled in with your favorite PBB housemates. Ayan, okay, go po. Ayan, filled with our favorite PBB housemates. And also our campers joining us as well. Ayan. Hello po. Ayan. Quick pose for the camera. There you go. Marami talagang tao na dito ngayon making abang, napakaponyo. Of course, naabangan nila lahat ng favorite artists nila who are also part, I believe, yung mga Jen and Abel of our block screening. Then please head on over to our cinema, find your seats. Those of you who have tickets, as our advanced screening will start very, very soon. Ayan. Of course, we have our beautiful content creators joining us as well. Thank you so much! Ayan, okay. Siyempre, kilala ko na sila, pero kailangan muna nila i-introduce yung mga sarili nila para sa team bahay. And para sa mga nandito sa gateway ngayon, hindi, gusto ko siya yung mag-introduce sa sarili niya. Okay, are you ready? In 3, 2, 1.
Hi, this is Rain Parani. Hi everyone! Good afternoon, Amina Evans.
Hi guys, my name is Gerald Albino. I'm one in JP Castillo.
So of course, syempre, I need to ask you, Madam Ina, how does it feel na widely accepted na and pinoportray na ang LGBTQIA+ community sa isang mainstream na series?
I think it's long overdue, so it's about time. And sana, with Love at First Spike, mag-spike pa siya ng mas maraming series and movies and representation for the entire community. Hindi lang pag June, but all year round. Kasi kailangan din marinig ng mga tao yung kwento natin under the rainbow.
I love it. Truly under the rainbow. And of course, your presence here truly is a rainbow. Dito sa ating Gateway Cineplex. Thank you so much to our beautiful content creators for joining us. Ayan, thank you so much. Madam Ina. Ayan, thank you so much guys for joining us. Thank you. Ayan, okay, more of our friends na nandito ngayon. Of course, please give a big shout out to Team Bahay.
A+ community. At kasama po dito ay yung pagprotesta para mas makita nila tayo, makita nila na nag-exist tayo at hindi tayo mawawala. So, sabi nga kanina ng mga interview, mabuhay ang mga bakla, mabuhay ang mga tomboy, mabuhay tayong lahat.
Market. Alright, and joining us now, we'll give a big shout out to Team Bahay. Ayaw na niya, okay. Ayaw na niya magpa-interview. Okay, go. Give a big shout out to Team Bahay.
Hello sa mga Team Bahay dyan. And guys, I'm Ace Carrera. I'm one of the content creator and LGBT ally. And excited po ako na mapanood ang Love at First.
Shoutout po sa mga nasa bahay dyan. Mag-dinner na kayo kung oras na. Ayun, supportahan natin ang pelikulan to. Directed by Direk Ivan Tayawan. Of course. Ako po pala si Kitch Minimoto. Pwede niyo po kayo follow sa Instagram. KYCHMINEMOTO sa mga mahirap. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Kitch. Yes, thank you so much. And syempre, joining us right now is Miss Shania Gomez, one of my best friends. So, looking so beautiful. Blue na blue siya today. I love it. And guys, don't forget, I believe sa bukas po, meron po siyang press conference for Idol Philippines. Yes. Updated ako sa schedule niya. Sorry. Of course. Oh, diba? Of course, Shania, hello. As an ex-PBB housemate, what is your message to all of the PBB housemates who are part of Love at First Spike? Kasi syempre yung mga rise artists din, mga kapatid natin.
I love going to events like this that especially highlight yung mga ex-PBB housemates or even yung mga kapatid namin sa Rise because I feel like it really shows how much talent that we all have. And at the same time, it also proves that you don't have to be the big winner to be the big winner in many people's hearts. Wow, Miss Universe, nasagot ko dahil. But ayun, I just love seeing all of the housemates and also Rise artists just succeed. Talagang success sila, te.
Feel ko talaga successful talaga tong Love at First Spike. Thank you so much to the one and only Shania Gomez for joining us. Ayan, good photo ako ulit. I'll see you again inside Shania. And syempre ngayon, we have Oni de Guzman and Chris Atanga joining us. Hi, Krisa and Oni. How are you guys? Ay, de, ang ganda mo, ang ganda mo. I love the outfit. Pero of course, you guys have a lot of friends dito sa Love at First Spike. What do you guys have to tell them? Mensahe nyo para sa kanila.
I'm so proud of them, especially Sean. Sobrang love namin kasi si Sean. Friends talaga namin siya even before kahit si Oli. Actually, siya yung nag-invite sa amin dito. So I'm very, very excited. Of course, Rain, kabatch ko sa PBB. And I'm just so happy for her break. I wanna see more of her. So eto na yon.
This is a wonderful cast and I'm excited to watch the first episode of this series.
Thank you so much, Krisa and Oni. We'll see you guys inside. O, diba? Sinabi ko sa inyo kanina pa, napaka-star-studded ng ating mga guests na nandito ngayon. Krisa and Oni are here. We were also joined by Shania Gomez, Kauri Oinuma, Aljo Mendoza. Siyempre, kanina Robbie Jaworski was here too. A lot of supporters. Grabe, parating na yung mga artista, siyempre. Paano pa? And joining us, Raven Rigor! Woo! Si Raven, alam ko, very close niya si Rain. Oh, Raven and Rain. O, diba? Ayan. And of course, si Sean also. Yes. Alright. Once again, Raven Rigor. Raven, hello, how are you? Raven, of course, a message to all of your friends who are part of Love at First Spike?
Sa lahat ng friends ko na part ng Love at First Spike, I just know na mag-believe to ng marks ng mga tao. And excited ako na alam ko mag-resonate to with a lot of people. So yeah, congrats sa cast.
Thank you so much for joining us, Raven. Okay, quick photo op ulit for Raven. And ito naman, our power couple, Alexa Ilacan and KD Estrada. Joining us today for our Love at First Spike blue carpet. Ayan. O diba, napaka-bongga. FYI guys, gusto ko lang sabihin, napakaganda ng buhok ni Alexa. O diba, I love it. Napakaganda ng kulay. Bagong-bago. There you go again, KD Estrada and Alexa Ilacan joining us. At syempre, meron din tayong konting chika minutes with Alexa and KD. Hello, Alexa and KD! Okay. Alexa, KD, of course, again, a quick message. But before that, how does it feel to have a show that is centered on PBB housemates just like you guys? Sige, halos lahat, di ba?
Kami nakaka-proud and it's seeing everyone here, especially like si Lorraine and Pasyong Gen 11. It's really nice to see. And of course, Emilio and River are also here, so nakaka-proud din. And yeah, we're really excited to see this coming to Bonus.
Ako naman, most of them are from PBB, no? But shout out pa lang si Lance. I met her when I shot a movie before. So I'm so proud of her kasi I feel like she deserves this role. And her role is she plays herself and hindi lang, I saw her post kasi na as a trans woman, hindi lang siya decoration dito, kundi meron din siyang sariling kwento, which I'm so excited to see.
KD. Thank you so much, Alexa and KD. Again, grabe, may mga stories, may mga natutunan tayo for today. Like what Alexa mentioned. Meron silang sariling stories, di ba? Dito sa Love at First Spike. Walang bida dito. Sa Love at First Spike, lahat sila may stories, lahat sila may kwento. Thank you so much, Alexa and KD. Thank you guys for joining us. Grabe. I love it. We just learned something from Alexa right now. Again, transgender woman joining us, and I think first time, I want to see.
Thank you!
Okay, so ngayon, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, in just a few minutes, we will be joined by the cast of Love at First Spike. Kaya naman simulan na natin! Oh, handa na ba kayong ginigay? Starting things off with Miss Marnie Lapus to join us for our blue carpet of love. Alright, congratulations to Miss Marnie Lapus.
That's one. Siya din tawag na.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And don't forget Gio Alvarez, who is part of the Love at First Spike as well, part of the cast. Ayan po. Congratulations as well to Kuya Gio. I love it, nakaabot si Kuya Gio. I think earlier wala po siya sa MediaCon, but at least ngayon, nandito siya for our advanced screening and our blue carpet. Thank you so much, Gio Alvarez, part of Love at First Spike, and a big congratulations. Alright. Ayan. So while waiting for our cast, a big reminder as well to everyone, starting June 20, this Friday, Kuya Gio, thank you so much. Starting June 20, every Friday, 8 p.m. O, diba? On I Want Love at First Spike. And now joining us as well for our blue carpet, we have Miss Naomi Gonzalez. Hello, Miss Naomi. Congratulations. Okay, quick photo op of Miss Naomi. O, diba? We love it. We are now starting. Earlier, we had our amazing guest artists, our guest athletes, guest celebrities, guest us. Alwin Oitingo! Yan, hello Alwin. Also part of our cast of Spike. O, di ba? Ang ganda ng pose. Isang block naman dyan. Hey! Isang dig. Ganon. Huwag na lang courtside reporter ako ng volleyball. Alam ko yung mga terms. O, di ba? Pak. Thank you so much, Alwin. Again, Alwin. Oy, Tinko. 8 p.m. on I Want. Our digital original series, Care of I Want. Ayan po. Again, very amazing. We are gathering all of the industries in one premiere, from sports to artists to music to entertainment, content creators, lahat nandito sa ating Love at First Bite premiere block party blue carpet. Ayan. Thank you so much. Ayan. Now we have here back to our cast. Joining us now is Universe Ramos, one of our campers. O, diba? We also have here Nick De Ocampo joining us as well, and Mickey Roalio. Universe, Nick, and Mickey, our campers. Love at First Spike. We are so excited to see you guys on the digital series. Thank you so much, Universe. And ngayon naman si Nick, music artist, pero artista na rin siya. I believe debut niya ito, Dre Sugay. Thank you so much to Dre. Congratulations. Grabe, napakabongga. Congratulations again, Dre Sugay. Not only is he an artist, but also a star music artist. Ngayon, joining us as well, Binsoy Namoka from PBB. Thank you so much for joining us, Dre and Binsoy. Grabe, I love the jacket. Napakabongga ng varsity jacket ni Binsoy. O, diba? Binsoy, isang block naman dyan. Isang block naman dyan. Hey! Hindi yung block. Block! O, diba? Binsoy Namoka, part of our cast of Love at First Spike.
Sana pala nag-block ako.
Oo. And joining us now, Bo Gonzalez, of course, one of our campers, and syempre Rise Artist Studio, ang aking kapatid, Bong Gonzalez. Ay, pak talaga yung outfit ni Bong. Parang feel ko hindi to Love at First Spike, he's into her, Charis. Diba? Yung outfit ni Bong, pang ano talaga, pang premiere, pang blue carpet, I love it. Kizon! Yes! Ay, Pogi na Sky! Siyempre, nagbabalik si Sky Kizon dito sa ating mga teleserye. Congratulations to Sky for another amazing show. O, diba? Ang bongga ng eye makeup ni Sky. I love it. Thank you so much, Sky. And congratulations to Love, or for Love at First Spike. And syempre, joining us naman now and representing the LGBTQIA+ community, we have Lance Reblando. She, her. Thank you so much, Sky. Lance, congratulations. Kagaya looking absolutely beautiful. Lance, isang block naman dyan. Ay, Pax, hindi yung block. I love it. Pero support ako dyan, Lance. Thank you so much, Lance. Mabuhay ang mga bading! Hey! Yan. Again, Lance Reblando. And part of our PBB Gen 11 housemates, we have Reindeers Mag-ingay, Rain Selmar! Alam mo, lagi ko sinasabi kay Rain, napakaganda ng outfit niya lagi. Ang ganda din ng legs niya. Rain Selmar, I think debut niya to sa I Want, one of our original series dito, digital series, Love at First Bite. We are so excited to see Rain dito. Reindeers, anong nafe-feel niyo na nandito na si Rain Selmar? O, diba, Pax? Guys, hindi to hindi to Skydome. Charis, Meteor Rain. Ganon. Guys, don't forget to stream as well. Be Loved. Ang kanyang EP niya on Spotify. O, diba? Rain Selmar in the house. And then naman, from PBB Gen 11 as well, mga fans ni Dylan! Dylan El Torrande! love it. Again, I think debut din ito ni Dylan. Congratulations, Dylan. And also, former volleyball player din to si Dylan sa UAAP University of the East. We are so excited to see. Kaya pala dun sa trailer, parang pak na pak yung spike niya. Pak na pak yung attack ni Dylan, di ba? Thank you so much, Dylan! Thank you so much, Dylan! Ayan. And now, joining us, one of the cores kung bakit posible ang Love at First Fight, our director, Direk Ivan Payaw. Libero pala to si Direk. I love it, bongga. Congratulations, Direk. Once again, our director of Love at First Fight, Ivan Payawan. Hey! Okay, and syempre joining us now, the one and only Kanata Chin. Congrats, dog! Thank you for joining us to join and also to support syempre ang ating PBB housemates or Gen 11 housemates. Ayan. Hello, Kanata! Okay. May mensahe ka ba para sa mga housemates na nasa Love at First Fight?
Message ko sa kanila. Actually, sa kanilang lahat, proud ako. Pero especially sa tatlo. I'm so proud of you guys and I'm so excited na panoorin niyo.
Thank you so much, guys. And syempre, again, our PBB Gen 11 housemates. Thank you guys for joining us, Kanata. Thank you so much, Gwen. Yes, ayan.
Congrats, Doc. Ay, thank you po.
Ay, Doc, back. Okay. Alright, ngayon naman to continue with our cast of Love at First Fight. Calling on now, isa sa mga bidas ng Love at First Fight, kahit na lahat sila bida, Sean Tristan! Yes, nandito ang pogi ni Sean. Love it. Again, Sean, from starting off on TikTok, content creation, and syempre slowly going from teleserye to teleserye, from Dirty Linen, meron din Life's a Beach, Fractured, lahat na, o diba?
Beach Bros,
Memorize, Beach Bros, sabi ko Life's a Beach.
Pamilya Sagrado.
O diba? Beach Bros, Pamilya Sagrado, lahat na, Sean Tristan, with his latest digital series, Love at First Fight. Sean, a quick kwento session with you. Of course, Sean, how does it feel to be in a show, syempre part of a love triangle, and portraying LGBTQIA+ community?
Delightful. Talagang palagi ko naman sinasabi na I'm glad to be working and to be able to tell stories that matter.
We are so excited to see you, Sean. Last but not the least, what can we expect from you dito sa Love at First Fight?
Well, this is my first lead role po, so I'm very grateful for that. And there's a lot to expect talaga, lalo sa character ko kasi very complex siya. Especially with, yun nga, the love triangle with Rain and Emilia. Very, hindi siya conventional love triangle, no? So marami talaga abangan for that.
Congratulations, Sean. Another hit for Sean Tristan. One last photo of Sean. Ayan. Thank you so much, Sean. And ngayon naman, a beautiful, not only PBB housemate, pero beauty queen din. Rain Parani! Ayan. O diba? Napakabongga. Rain! Magrampa ka na. Pang beauty queen! Pang beauty queen dapat. Ganon. Looking so stunning. Si Rain Parani, again, one of our leads dito sa Love at First Fight. Okay, Rain, thank you so much for joining us now. Rain, congratulations on Love at First Fight. We are so excited to see you. Of course, Rain, what can we expect from your character dito sa Love at First Fight?
Hello everybody, my name is Rain Parani. I will be portraying Farah Salcedo. She's a hardworking athlete scholar and of course somebody who defies stereotypes and of course woman empowerment, most importantly, a responsible ally and somebody who story tells with her eyes, her spikes, and every set and serve that she will do on the court. But most importantly, she's an ally of this story and I hope that you could all sana masubaybayan niyo lahat istorya ng Love at First Fight. Thank you so much.
Of course, Rain, a alam mo that you are actually a volleyball player. You are always present sa All-Star Games and we're gonna see you, I believe, this year also. I need to know, ano ang position mo sa volleyball?
Oh my gosh, this year's All-Star Games is my third. I've always played the spiker, the outside hitter, but this time I'm going to be a middle spiker and blocker. So I hope maabangan niyo po. I've been repositioned, but that doesn't mean that we're not going to win this year. See you!
Three-peat daw sila. I love it. Once again, Rain Parani, looking so beautiful again. We are gonna see her not only here sa Love at First Spike as one of the leads, pero guys, abangan niyo rin siya July 20, 2025 sa All-Star Games 2020. Ng Love at First Spike, mga fans ni Emilio Maingay! Let's give it up for Emilio Daez! Emilio, congratulations! Looking so amazing in his blue suit. O, diba? Napakabongga. Alam niyo guys, gusto ko lang sabihin na ito si Emilio. Every time nakikita ko siya, napakabango niya lagi. Diba? Okay, one last pose, Emilio. For our friends, bago ang ating Chica Minutes. Ayan. Grabe yung perfume ni Emilio, guys. Parang pili ko yung mga team bahay. Naaamoy na siya. Jeez. Okay. Go, Emilio. Okay, Emilio, congratulations. O, diba? From co-hosting. Diba? From co-hosting sa Star Magical Ball, I am gonna interview now, Emilio. Emilio, congratulations. How does it feel to be able to, of course, handle such a big role like this in such a big series that caters to the LGBTQIA+ community and the volleyball community?
I'm just very blessed, grateful, and humbled by this opportunity. Sana po ma-enjoy ko lahat ng mga kapamilya, lahat ng nanonood ng Love at First Spike, and I'm just very excited for it to come out.
Emilio, what can we expect from Uno Santillan?
Ako, marami kayong ma-expect kay Uno Santillan. You'll see his journey. He's a very complex person. He may seem a little, closed off at first, pero he'll slowly open up.
Last question, Emilio. I'm sure you guys train for volleyball. You guys train with the Signal HD Spikers, I believe. So, how was the experience like? Was this your first time playing volleyball, and how was the training like?
Well, it was my first time playing volleyball, but it was actually transported me back to a time nung nagbabasketball ako sa school. I was a varsity basketball player for like more than half of my life, so it was fun picking up a new sport and talagang napamahal na ako sa volleyball.
We cannot wait to see volleyball Emilio Daez dito sa Love at First Spike. Again, one of our leads of Love at First Spike, Emilio Daez! Congratulations, Emilio! Again, starting June 20. Yes, every Friday po yan. Oh my gosh, grabe! Yung mga supporters ni Emilio na nandito ngayon. Of course, again, congratulations to Emilio sa PBB Celeb Collab. Yes. So again, our cast of Love at First Spike, you can use our hashtags, hashtag Love at First Friday, 8 p.m. Love at First Spike on I1. We are so excited for you guys to see the magic of the volleyball industry, the LGBTQIA+ community. Thank you so much for joining us. I believe mag-e-end na po ang ating live stream. Kaya thank you so much to Team Bahay for joining us. Again, my name is Ayala Perlas, your blue carpet host. And Team Bahay will see you after the black screen.
Here po. Here po. Ay, sorry. Ayun, nalagdag daw. Okay, one po. Thank you. Ay, picture po. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. Thank you po. Picture po. Okay. Ay, sorry. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, thank you po.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Sige po, ayan na po. Ayan na po. Ayan na.